Okay, today is 28th of March 2022. This is the setup that a mock-up setup to simulate what we're going to be doing at Stratford. Put in an MPS mic connected into a VAR. So just over on the VAR router here, this has come out of St Pancras. So I've got the MPS mic data and audio is wired into mic input 3. I've taken the expansion port from the base unit to feed a B&B unit. This one here is for some audio triggers on the onboard contacts of the VAR, and this is some audio outputs so we can sniff off the audio coming out. Okay, and then over this side we've got the MPS mic. I've wired up a volume control into B&B. B&B is obviously wired into the VAR, and it's just a little BOA board to facilitate wiring the MPS mic. Okay, and over here we've got the scope is plumbed into one of the audio outputs. So first of all, we can select the zones. Just select, these are configured as it should be for Stratford. I key that, it will then come up with speak now. There you go, speak now, and that will broadcast. In fact, if I pull it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th button here, I know that's the one I'm wired into on the output. So if I key that up, there we go. And testing, 1, 2, 3. Let me see that. Testing, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So the audio is getting routed out the right output. And on here, I've just wired up the contact input on the VAR. So if I just connect the battery, then that will trigger a fixed route. It's currently set to the VAT message, but I have set the VAT message to non-emergency, and I've tried other messages. But what you see is if I trigger this, so that is now playing. You can see it's sending out a load of audio. But the busy indication on all the zones is as if it's an emergency going out. They're all red, right? And that happens regardless, whatever you're broadcasting, it all shows as red. Not necessarily a problem, but it's better to know when it's a normal broadcast versus an emergency broadcast. All right, so you see that going out. There's the pre-tone, and then if I adjust the volume control here, so it's currently on 11, and there you go, turn it down. You see it's attenuating that. Turn it up. And you go back to its original levels. So that will work. So we can use that. But this really doesn't give the right indications. It shows you're busy, but it's as if it was an emergency. Also, the emergency LEDs here do not light, and you don't get any faults showing up on there.